Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. What if I told you guys that this wig right here is also the same wig right here? And this is also the same wig. Now, I did not go ahead and bleach the front blonde. I did not do that. This is just the same wig, and I just replaced the closure on the wig. And you can also add a frontal to this same wig. If you guys want to learn more about this wig, then please continue to watch. Let's get into this tutorial. So I'm super excited to be showing you guys this wig today. This is from ISEE Hair, and I have worn a lot of their wigs in the past. I love their pre-made wigs, but they decided to step it up a notch, you guys. So this one, I'm gonna call this the game changer wig. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review their surprise product. I had no idea what it was because they literally did not tell me what it was. So I'm gonna open this up for the first time today. Now, as you can see, it is a regular wig, just like any other wig. It's black and it has some blonde streaks. I'm here for the streaks, and she is looking nice. I can tell that it's pre-made. The quality is amazing. And are you seeing that hairline? Tweezed to perfection. I'm here for that. I love that they always do that with their wigs. And I can tell by the lace. The lace is absolutely flawless. This is their new lace. So they came out with a new lace and it just melts in the skin perfectly. It has a skin-like texture. Now, as you can see, that this is a closure and it's a 9x6 closure. Now, the amazing thing about this wig, yes, it looks like just like another wig, but this wig is a game changer because you can replace the frontal on this wig. So I'm just going to remove the combs right now because I don't need it. I always keep the one in the back, and I love that the C shape is at the ear so the wig fits comfortably on my head. Now, this wig was designed by ISEE Hair, and we are going to build a wig, just like the box says, let's build a wig. So this is what the box looks like. The packaging is super cute, and it has all these different boxes in it. So you have the actual lace wig, and then you have the frontals and a closure, and basically the wig cap and any extra elastic bands and bonnet that you might need. So everything that you need is in this kit to build your wig. Now I'm going to open the box that says Block R on it, and this one is a frontal piece. I believe this is a 9x6 closure, and the lace on this is phenomenal. Also, it has that scalp-like finish, so you are not going to be seeing any grid lines whatsoever. Like, are you seeing that? Flawless and no grid lines. You do not need to bleach the knots on this. Everything is already done for you. It's going to have a skin-like finish. Now, I did a comparison so you guys can see what the regular lace looks like with the grid line and the new skin lace looks like. So you can definitely see the difference, and there's absolutely no grid line. It looks like it's coming straight out of the scalp. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so now I'm going to open the other box. So this is a Block R, and this one is a frontal piece. So the first one that I opened was a closure, and this is a frontal, and this is a 13x6 frontal. Oh my goodness, look at that lace. It is skin-like, and I can already tell like this will melt down so flawlessly, and it's pre-plucked as well, and the hairline looks absolutely amazing. All right, so now I'm going to open Block B, and this is the Block B. So this is the full wig, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a zipper, so that way you can unzip it and add a whole nother hair piece. So you can add a frontal or a closure, and they're actually coming up with some new styles as well, where you can even add bangs to it if you wanted to. But they haven't launched those just yet. So this is what the wig looks like on my head. It looks great, but clearly it needs a little bit of work, but I just wanted you guys to see it before I style it. Now I'm going to show you guys how I change the frontal pieces. It's super easy, and like I said, all you got to do is unzip it. Now on each side there are two hooks, so you want to unhook it first, and then there is a zipper and it has a string on it, so you want to hold on to that string and then go ahead and unzip it. Look how easy and simple that is to follow. So it's super easy. So just like that, we took that closure piece off, and now we're going to go ahead, and this is Block B. So this is what Block B looks like without any attachments to it. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the other closure piece. So we're going to use the skin-like scalp one, and I'm going to add it to it. So I'm going to hook it first. I find that it's a lot easier if you hook it first. So hook just one side. You don't need to do both at the same time, and just connect the zipper, and then just go ahead and zip that up really easy to follow. Now you want to be very careful because there's hair and sometimes hair can get in the way, but just take your time with it. But it's super easy, honestly. And then this is pretty much what it is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and try the wig on my head just so you guys can see it. And I just went in with a little bit of concealer just to tint the lace, and I'm going in with the flat iron. There's no product on this, so it is still glueless. And this is the other piece, so if I want to switch it to the blonde piece, I can go ahead and switch it. Can you believe that? Just one wig and we can switch it up into a whole nother wig. I'm here for this. So let's move on to the frontal piece. Now we're going to go in with the frontal piece, and this one, like I said, it's 13 by 6, and now I'm going to attach this to block B. So it's literally, I cannot believe that the same block B fits a frontal and a closure. I love this. Like, I love this whole concept. And if you wear wigs, you know the lace is usually the first to go. So the fact that you're able to change your lace up, amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and try the frontal on now so you guys can see it. One of the things that I was a bit concerned with is how it would fit, because it's going from a closure to a frontal. But as you can see, you have these adjustments on the back, and I like the fact that they put these on the back so you can actually adjust it at the back. And also it has an elastic band, so that way you're able to wear it as a frontal wig as well. Now I'm not going to go ahead and install it today. I just wanted you guys to see how it is looking, but I love the fact that you can do that, because personally I do love me a frontal. I love the versatility, especially if I want to do a half up, half down style. So I like the fact that I can go from a closure glueless to a frontal that will be glued down and melted down to perfection. I'm here for that. And I switched it back to the closure, and I'm just going to go in with the hot comb and just quickly style it. I'm not going to add any glue to it or anything. I just want you guys to see how the wig is looking when it is on my head. So this is how the skin-like wig looks. The wig is absolutely flawless. I don't see any grid lines, and I'm here for that. I don't have to tweeze anything, so it looks good. So now I'm going to show you guys how I install the wig. So I'm going to do the wig with the blonde streaks in it. So this will be the final look. All right, so now I'm going to go in with the hot comb, and I'm just going to go ahead and just tint the lace as well, just so it can match my skin tone. And I'm going to go in with some hair mousse today. That is all. We are going to keep her glueless, and I just apply this on the edge. You can also use a melting spray. I usually use my Sticky Secret melting spray, but I'm not going to be using it today. I'm just going to use some hair mousse and calling it a day. The one that I'm using, it's called Texture ID, I believe, and I got this at Sally's. Now I'm going to go in with my melting band, and I'm going to tie that down, and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it's going to be looking something like this. She is melted. Now I know you guys can see my wig cap, but don't worry, I'm going to fix that. So I add some mousse on the top as well, just to flatten down that wig a bit more, because she was sitting a little high. Now I'll say with the zippers, actually the wig is super comfortable and you don't even feel the zipper that it's there. And you know, I love me a side part, but yeah, this is pretty much the end result. I'm here for this wig. I love the fact that we can switch it up. I love it. All the hair info will be listed in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Love you guys. Bye.